Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural with a fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of belly fat in 7 days, how to apply it, the proper way to massage the mixture into your body, and also how to wrap it. So guys, don't be in a hurry, follow the step-by-step method, and I assure you that you are gonna get the desired result, because in the course of this video I'm going to be giving you instructions on what to do and what not to do so that you will get amazing results. What I'm going to be needing is coconut oil. Coconut oil can help you lose fat, especially dangerous abdominal fat. Coconut oil can boost metabolism. Again, it should help you lose fat over the long term. In fact, there are several studies that have proven this. Alright guys, so you go ahead and massage it on your stomach, massage it and let it sink into your stomach. Concentrate more on areas where you want to burn fat. So you're gonna go ahead and wrap 1 or 2 layers of saran wrap around your stomach. Keep it wrapped for about 30 to 45 minutes. Do this for 3 to 4 days and you should start noticing visible difference. So guys, this will help you burn accumulated fat. Eat less calories than you burn, which requires reducing your daily calorie intake. Losing belly fat or weight in general requires self-discipline. I wish you best of luck. Coconut oil is packed with so many benefits and is capable of burning belly fat, whether applied externally or internally, and it will turn your tummy into a very flat tummy.